JUKI MO-6814, Assembling Full Setup Tutorial. We are starting the assembly of the MO-6800 series overlock machine. General overview. The first thing we need is the tabletop. All necessary furniture is supplied with the table package. First, we're going to put one nut on each of these screws. Approximately the thickness of the tabletop. Repeat this step for each of the 5 screws. Then take a nut and secure the bracket in the hole of the tabletop. Secure each of the 5 brackets in the same way. Use a 13mm wrench to firmly tighten each nut. Now take another nut and screw it on about halfway down the pin. Repeat this process for each bracket. The height can be further adjusted at the end of assembly. Each screw is secured using both the medium and large washers for added stability. Platform assembling. After that, proceed to secure the platform. Install 3 additional washers from the hardware set on each mounting point. Then screw one nut onto each pin. While the platform is inverted, do not fully tighten the nuts. Height adjustment will be required later. Unpack and prepare the machine legs for assembly. Take a large screw, 2 large washers, and a nut. This is one complete set. We're going to prepare 8 of those sets. The sewing table legs are adjustable. The user can easily adjust the desired height. Normally, the bracket is installed in the first hole. Take a screw and a washer. Then secure the structure with a nut. Repeat this procedure 4 times. Install the brackets on the second table leg in the same way. Now tighten the screws using either a 19mm socket or an adjustable wrench. Attach the crossbar using a screw, flat washer, lock washer, and nut. There will be 4 such fastening assemblies. Fixing the sewing table legs. Turn the structure upside down to make further assembly more convenient. Using a long screw, washer, and nut, secure the lower brace of the table legs. There will be 4 such fastenings. Take a 17mm wrench and firmly tighten all the main fasteners. When choosing the position for fixing the table legs, make sure this hole remains open. The thread stand will be installed here. Secure the first leg using 4 screws. Repeat the same procedure for the second leg. The drawer does not have a predetermined position. You can attach it wherever convenient. Closer to the front of the machine or on the side. During installation, make sure the drawer moves smoothly along the guides. Pedal installation. Secure the pedal mounting bracket onto the lower crossbar of the table legs. Using a 10mm wrench or an adjustable wrench, tighten all the fasteners securely. Make sure the pedal moves freely without obstruction. There's also a treadle rod bracket that attaches with these 2 small bolts. The wide slots provide a good range of adjustment. Secure the pedal rod firmly in place. The foot pedal position is partly determined by operator preference, but ideally, the treadle rod should remain as vertical as possible. Use 4 screws to mount the switch to the tabletop. Install the small machine pedal and secure its mounting brackets firmly. Machine base assembly. Install the machine base using 4 complete sets of hardware, a screw, 2 washers, and a nut for each fastening point. Tighten the fasteners securely. The bolt on the front side of the tabletop can be used as an alignment reference. Turn the table into its upright position and continue with the assembly. Attach the plastic component for oil using 2 screws. Secure the second part into the pre-drilled holes located under the tabletop. Install the rubber vibration dampers in the corners of the oil pan. Set the machine head in place. Since the overlock head is heavy, it's recommended to lift it with 2 people. Wiring connection. Connect the pedal control cable to the machine head. Proceed to assemble the power plug. The yellow-green wire is the ground connection. You can use any grounded plug. Open the plug housing. Inside are 3 terminals. Green for ground, and the other 2 for live and neutral wires. The wire terminals can be connected in either orientation. Attach each wire terminal to its corresponding connector one by one. Tighten the wire clamps and close the plug housing. If the machine is intended to remain in one place, this connection is sufficient. Optionally, it can be further insulated with electrical tape. Now we adjust the height of the platform locking pins. Presser foot chain. Install the chain that raises the presser foot. One end connects to the special fitting on the machine body. The other to the pedal mechanism. The chain length is adjustable for smoother foot control. There's no need to cut the chain. Simply fasten it with cable ties. Thread stand. Installation. Unpack the connections and begin assembling the thread stand. Attach each part of the stand to the bracket, adding a nylon washer for stability. Repeat the process for all 4 stand sections and tighten the fittings. Install the stand into the pre-drilled hole in the tabletop. Fix the spool hoards to the stand and ensure they're firmly tightened. Proceed with the assembly of the upper section of the stand. Fit the plastic caps and securing clips on top of the rods. Attach the thread guide to the upper part of the stand and tighten the screws securely. The sewing machine assembly is complete. It's now ready for use.